I am so happy kay isa sa ako ang mga favorite na sisigan kay naa ni branch diri sa downtown. This is Am's Sisigan and Halo Halo. Hello again guys. So if you follow me here on TikTok, makabalo jud mo na na-feature na nako ni before ang Am's Sisigan and Halo Halo. Nagpuduol na sila karon sa ako guys kay naa na sila branch sa Palma Hill Street. Pag abot nako didto spotted nang akong duha ka idolo na si Musang and si KPC recommends. By the way, their new branch is located just in front of this building right here and halos dool lang kaayo siya sa Ezra's Restaurant. This is their menu guys. Kindly pause it na lang to check out their food offerings and they also have desserts. Pagsulod na ko guys, spotted na po ng isa no ka-idolo na si Ans Dave. As for their Palma Hill branch guys, grabe kay ko kalipay kay layo ra kayo ang iyahang kadako sa ilahang maa na branch. Mas dako and mas hayag ang decors. Agoy na iniapas ako, kaklingi ba? So while waiting for my orders, by the way, I ordered a lot. Nagtali isa ko og buhok guys kay kabalo ko this means war. Chares. Kay kabalo ko daghan kay kung kaunon anila lunch guys. And mag-fit check sa tagay. So kaning shirt regalo lang ata na siya. Kani is from Zaful ang pants and my shoes are from CV Sneakers. Dili sa mi magbati guys kay kanya-kanya mi nagfilm ani og nagkaon. First on the list is their pepperoni pizza. And this is 205 pesos. And this is what it looks like up close. Okay guys, let's try it out. Now this is my first time na mag-try sa ilahang pizza. Kay sa ilang mga branch wala ako naka-try. And in fairness guys, halami ba kaayo siya. It was actually very cheesy guys. Tanawa pa lang ni ang string pa lang daan sa cheese. I thought manggod dili nila 40 ang pizza but this pizza did not disappoint. Even my husband liked it and ang ako ang anak sad ganahan pud kaayo dagad siya nakaon na pizza. Next na pud na kong gi-try guys is the sizzling burger steak. It is only 80 pesos and this is what it looks like up close. Na-amaze ko guys ha kay daghan kay siya corn. And when I tried it guys, it was actually not bad. Tungod sa kadaghan sa corn, ganahan mo kay kog corn guys. Sumurag mo na ang plus points for me. So overall yeah, it was still okay. Up next you guys is the pork sisig which costs 80 pesos. This is what it looks like up close and medyo makita ninyo diri na side na crispy good siya. Ayan na guys, na-add na ang calamansi and it's time to try it out. Guys, kung before favorite na ko ang ilang chicken sisig karon guys, mas na favorite na nako ang ilahang pork sisig. Naka-happy dance good si Disco of Davao guys. Ganahan jud kay ko sa iyahang pagka-crispy guys and grabe pud siya ka-flavorful. Telling you guys, worth it kay ni siya i-try. Next on the list is their chicken sisig. No, mao ni siya ang akong favorite sa ilahang maa branch. And I am curious to know if same lang ba siya og lasa and quality sa ako ang natilawan dito sa maa. So when I tried it out guys, it was also okay. It was still the same halo sa ilahang maa branch and it did not disappoint. By the way, share lang nako na we also ordered fries for my son kay kani ako ang anak ganahan jud kay na siya og fries. Kung para sa ako ang anak lami na kaining fries pero when I tried it, typical fries lang siya guys. Pero I'm just happy na naingani na option diri sa Am's Sisigan para sa mga bata. Nag-order po dayang ako ang bana og drink, the light chia ko. It's 95 pesos for the regular one and kung large yung paliton, it's 110. And when I tried it, okay ra siya guys, so ra. It wasn't something special pero pwede na siya. Up next kay ang sizzling siomai rice nila na tag 80 pesos. Now this is something new sa ilahang menu. I wasn't able to try this sa ilahang maa brand. And grabe pa ka sizzling. Oh, kita ka anak guys. Pag tilaw na ko guys, to be honest, this was actually good. If I am not mistaken, fried magud ang pagkaluto sa iyaha before siya gi-sizzling. What I also like about it is purong meat gyud kayo siya and lami pud kayo yung chili sauce on top. If you will ask me guys, I would definitely order this again because yes, it was good. Desserts na po ta guys. Karon kay let's try the coffee con yellow for 99 pesos. Favorite gyud nako sa ilahang maa branch ang ilahang mango almond na dessert. Per this one, pag try na ko, uy, lami man pud di ay kaayo siya guys. It consists of coffee ice cream, coffee jelly na apoy boba, and na apoy cereal. And in fairness sa coffee taste niya guys, kanang masumbagan ka, medyo strong pud ang iyahang coffee na lasa. If hilig mo sa kape guys like me, then this is definitely a must try. Up next is the mais con yellow and this is for 99 pesos guys. So this is also my first time to try this one out. And when I tried it guys, medyo na-weirdohan lang ko kay ang gigamit manggod na ice cream is not vanilla but I think this is cookies and cream. But it was still good ha, don't get me wrong. And even ako ang asawag akong anak, ganahan pud ba akay sa mais con yellow. Pero I just think that it would have been better if vanilla ilahang gigamit. At this point, nibali ko sa akong coffee con yellow and ako ang gipa-try kay KPC recommends so kay Mosang and ganahan pud kay sila. Here are the 4 of us in one frame. O diba? Hi Lodi Cake! And because their Palma Hill branch is quite near lang sa ako ang office, kay ni baktas gyud ko sa isa ka lunch break na ko guys para mupalit sa ilahang pork sisig. Yes guys, believe me when I say na I will do up to this extent para lang mupalit sa ilang pork sisig kay ingani jud siya kalami. Balik na ko sa office guys para mukaon sa ako ang lunch na pork sisig from Am's Sisigan. By the way, share ko lang guys that they have 4 branches in Davao City. So kato lang guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!